What's your name?
Jalissa Wallace.
And what happened to you, Miss Wallace?
I was in an accident January the 2nd. A car hit me head on, and I was injured really bad. I had injuries to my leg and my wrist. My kids were in the car. They were injured as well. And it was just a bad time that day.
Where were you going?
I was going to my dad's house, leaving from my mother's house after work, picking up my kids.
Did you get medical treatment?
I did get medical treatment. I had surgeries. I had 3 surgeries. I had a blood transfusion. I was on multiple medications. I had to do home health therapy to learn how to rewalk.
What did you have surgery on?
I had surgery on my wrist and 2 surgeries on my leg, tibial plateau fracture.
How long were you non-weight bearing?
Non-weight bearing on my leg for about, 8 weeks, I think it was, at a time. And then I went back and it was like 8 more weeks. So it was a good little while, a couple of months, non-weight bearing on my leg and my wrist.
Where were you working before the accident happened?
Before the accident, I was working at T-Mobile as a sales representative.
Did you lose your job because of this wreck?
I lost my job because of the wreck. I wasn't able to go back to work. I was out of work for a while before I was just not able to go back to work. So I did eventually lose it.
How have you done since having surgery with the doctor?
I've done okay. I'm able to walk again now, but I do still have a lot of pain. Yeah.
And why did you decide to hire a law firm?
I just decided to hire a law firm. I thought it would be in my best interest to try to have someone represent me.
Why did you decide to hire Powers Law Group?
We actually looked at your reviews online. We saw that you had 5 stars and things like that. So that initially made me go to you. And the fact that you wasn't on TV, I like that because those TV commercials are crazy.
Are you happy with the result?
I'm very happy with the results, yes.
And would you recommend us to other people?
I would definitely recommend you guys to other people. One thing I said in my review is that I like that you guys treated me like I wasn't just a case number, because I did go through a lot of different lawyers when I called around just trying to get like a consultation and things like that. And it was a couple of them that I called once and then I called back and they had no clue who I was. Like they would re-ask me some of the same questions, and I never had that when I called your office. Like, you guys knew exactly who I was and the situation. Like I didn't have to re-explain anything. So I really liked that about it, that, you know, it wasn't just a case number and, you know, I don't know who this person is. It's just, that's what I liked about it.
So when you were hurt after having surgery on your leg and your wrist, did you have somebody help you take care of your kids?
I did have to get help. My aunt helped out. My baby's father helped out. My mom. I had other people that really had to help me out because I couldn't really do much after the accident on my own for a while. So I did have a lot of support.
Are you taking care of your kids again?
I am.
You got anything else you want to say?
No. Not that I can think of. I probably think of a million things when I leave here, but yeah, not right now.
Are you glad it's all over with?
I am glad it's over with. I mean, it was hard just reliving that night over and over again. So yeah, I'm glad it's over with.
How did it make you feel when you saw that video of you laying in that ambulance that night today?
It took me right back to that day, and I really just, it's kind of like I felt it all over again. I wanted to cry, but I held it in. I held it in.